if you are in Hawaii, I will be in Hawaii on Friday, July 19th, and I'm speaking at the Hawaiian Republican Assembly, a big luncheon. And I will tell you more about that and how you can get tickets for that. It will be a blast if you are in Hawaii. I can't wait to see you. And you can go to rustylive.com. They made their own website for it, too. rustylive.com for tickets for next Friday. I want to remind you, if you are in Hawaii, I will be speaking at a very cool event they're putting together this Friday. It's going to be a great event. And if you want to find out more information, it's this Friday, July 19th, 11:30 a.m. We're going to have a big lunch there. I'm going to be the big speaker. I guess I have to come up with a speech. Rusty Henry's coming to the islands, and political red meat will be on the menu, is what it says. So get your tickets and find out more. rustylive.com. Which, by the way, I want that website when I'm done. How'd they get that web? We never even thought of that one. All right, so rustylive.com. You can buy your tickets.